Hello guys, if your computer's stuck on a boot error, or you might be seeing a message like, your PC needs to be repaired, but it just keeps restarting without loading into Windows. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix any boot-related errors without reinstalling Windows or losing your data. We'll be using a powerful and completely free tool called Hiren's BootCD. It's a lightweight recovery environment based on Windows PE, packed with a wide range of system repair utilities. Hiren's BootCD PE allows you to repair boot records, recover lost data, check your disk's health, and much more. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it to repair boot-related problems and get your computer back up and running. To get started, you'll first need to create a bootable USB drive using Hiren's BootCD. Since your computer may not be working properly, you can use a friend's or family member's PC to complete this step. Open any browser and search for Hiren's BootCD. Visit the official website, then go Download section. Scroll down and click on EasyBCD x64.iso. It will start downloading. Size is roughly 3 GB, so make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. The next step is to download a tool called Rufus. Go to search and type Rufus. Visit the Rufus official website, scroll down and download the latest Rufus application. Rufus is a free and reliable utility that allows you to create bootable USB drives. After downloading both files, go to Download folder and run the Rufus application first. Now plug in an empty USB drive. Make sure there's no important data on it, as the drive will be formatted during the process. From the Rufus interface, select your USB drive under the device list. Next, click the Select button and locate the Hiren's BootCD ISO file you just downloaded. Once selected, leave all the other settings as default. Then click the Start button to begin creating your bootable USB. Rufus will now write the ISO to your USB drive. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the process is complete, your USB drive will be ready to use, and you can proceed with repairing your computer. Once Rufus finishes creating the bootable USB, you're ready to use it. Take the USB drive and insert it into the computer that's experiencing boot-related issues. Now, power on the problematic PC and immediately begin pressing the boot menu key. This key varies by manufacturer, but it's often F12, F9, or delete keys. From the boot menu that appears, use the arrow keys to select your USB drive and press Enter. The system will begin to load into the Hiren's BootCD environment. It will take some time to boot, so please be patient. After a short while, you'll be greeted with a Windows-like desktop interface, complete with icons and shortcuts to a variety of powerful diagnostic and repair tools. This environment is designed specifically to help troubleshoot and fix issues like the one you're dealing with. To begin repairing the boot process, click on Start menu and search BootIce. Open BootIce from the search menu. This powerful tool allows you to manage the master boot record and boot sectors. First, select the internal hard drive where Windows is installed. Then, click on Process MBR. In the new window that opens, choose Windows NT5.x/6.x from the list and click Install Config. Then choose Windows NT6 XMBR. This action rewrites the master boot record used by modern versions of Windows, such as Windows 10 and Windows 11. Next, move on to the Process PBR option. Here, select Boot MGR boot record and click Install Config. When prompted, click OK. This step restores the Partition Boot Record PBR, which is crucial for loading the Windows bootloader correctly. Now, it's time to rebuild the Windows boot menu. Go to Windows Start menu and search EasyBCD. Open EasyBCD and go to the BCD Backup Odds Repair tab. Click on Recreate Repair Boot Files. This will reset the boot configuration data store. After that, navigate to the Add New Entry tab. Set the entry type to Windows Vista /7/8/10, depending on your system. Give it a name like Windows. Then select your system's primary drive, usually C, and click Add Entry. This creates a fresh boot entry for Windows. Finally, go to the Edit Boot menu section. Make sure that Windows is set as the default entry, then click Save Settings. This completes the boot repair process, and your system should now be able to load Windows properly without errors. After saving all the changes, go ahead and shut down your computer. Remove the Hiren's boot USB drive, then power your system back on. If everything was configured correctly, Windows should now boot successfully without any errors or getting stuck in a loop. And that's how you fix boot errors using Hiren's bootcd PE, giving you full control over the boot process. If this video helped you get your PC back up and running, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.